this video we are going to discuss about how we can add the voting option in the course. So in order to add, first we have to log in with the user ID and password of administrator, and then we have to choose the course and click on turn editing on. Now the option for adding the activity is enabled, so click on add an activity here and it will open the activity picker window where we have to choose the option choice. So this choice activity will enable teacher to ask a single question and offer a selection of possible answer. So let's add and see how it can be useful in the course in order to collect the student opinion. So I give the choice name, how do you find the course instructor, okay, and I just describe here, so description can be more, and this checkbox can be ticked if you want description to be displayed on the course page, else it can be left. And how you want the display, whether it should be horizontal or vertical, so it is up to you. Default is horizontally. Allow choice to be updated, so if you want allow choice to be updated, so whether you can keep it yes or no. And if you want to give more than one choice to be selected, so you can allow here yes or no, it is up to you. Limit the number of response allowed, so you can restrict number of response. And here the options for this question, very good, good, average, poor, very poor. So if you want to add some other field also, you can add here, and then you can click on availability. This voting will be available from this date to this date, so you can give the date here. And if you want the preview to be displayed, so you can check this box. Result, whether you want result to be published for the student or not, so it is given here. You can opt out of 4, so do not publish result to student. So column for unanswered, so if you want column to be shown for unanswered, so you have to select it accordingly, and include responses from even inactive or suspended users. So you want to receive input from those students who are suspended or inactive, so you can enable this as a yes here. Common module setting, so on course page or hide from student, it is your choice. So finally click on save and return to course. So we can notice that this voting option means the recent activity which we added is available now. Let's log out and check whether student is able to submit his or her response or not. So I log in with the student ID and password, and I can notice this activity is visible in my dashboard. So I click here and I get my question here. The result of this activity will not be how do you find the course instructor, and the instruction is that the result of this activity will not be published after your answer. So based on this question, I opt my answer here and save my choice. So your choice has been saved. And finally, let us, so this particular voting has been done. So it will be, results are not currently viewable for the student, but instructor will be able to see the voting of the different students for this course. I mean to say that enroll students for this course. So this is the process to add the voting option in the course. So hope I have been able to make you understand the process. In next video we'll see some other activity also, how we can add, and also we'll see that how we can add the resources to the course.